morning, you guys, and welcome to another vlog. It is Monday and it's a little bit before 8. I am already just kind of getting into work, jumping into work. For my emails, it looks like it's going to be a really busy day, and I actually have to go into the office today because I have some notes that I need to get for this kind of like project that I'm doing tomorrow morning. Something that I have to work on, so I need to get my notes for that. So I'll be going to the office on my lunch break. Yeah, this is actually a very exciting week for me just because I'll be going to LA this Saturday. So I'm really excited about that. So I cannot wait just to get out of the city, get out of the state. Yeah, just be in a completely different environment. I'm actually going to look at this design school that is there. Just kind of like take a look around and get a good feel for it, because as I mentioned before in another video, I really am considering getting my degree in interior design so I can be an interior designer. So I'm looking forward to that for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and jump fully into work, and I'll catch you guys a little bit later. So let me just say, it has been quite the day. Not necessarily a bad day, but just like really annoying. Just like I said, it definitely was a busy day. I did not get off of work until like 6 o'clock. So on my lunch break, I ended up going to the office, but let me tell you, that was a whole entire journey. First, I couldn't find my key card to get into the building. Literally, I'm so mad at myself because it was in the purse that I was carrying. I think I went through this whole house looking for that key card just to be in the place that I looked at in the first place. Like I was too through. But did that, get to the building, and I forgot the key to my cabinet, so I couldn't even get the notes that I needed. So it was like a waste of a trip. So super upset about that. So upset about it. But hey, it's fine. So the plan is to go tomorrow morning back to the office to get those notes so I can do what I need to do. Yeah. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Tuesday. I'm about to head out and go to the office to pick up some stuff. Today will be a lot better than yesterday because I have my key card and I have the key to my cabinet. So we are good to go. I actually put on real clothes. I have on this blouse from Banana, and then I have on these jeans, and then I have on some flats. I was like, I should probably look somewhat presentable because you never know who you might run into. So yeah, but I'm about to head out the door and I will catch you guys a little bit later. You guys, I have been up since 4:45 a.m. and I have yet to drink my first cup of coffee. This is about to be real good. It is 10:28 and this is my first cup, my first sip of coffee. So good, so good. You guys, I feel like my day is just now getting started. Well, at least like the things that I need to do. It has been quite the morning. Like it has been quite the morning for sure. Just from like my different systems not working. IT is looking at my computer right now, trying to figure everything out. Then there was an impromptu meeting. Okay, cool. So they're done. So I can actually use my computer now and do what I need to do. But it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna be like fine about it. I love how I just said fine like 5 times. I don't even know, but whatever. Need to stop chatting and start working. You guys, we got them. These are my new glasses. They're a lot smaller than my older ones. They look so good. I'm so happy with them. And I actually have a second pair, but they hadn't come in yet. So waiting for that. Hopefully they come in this week and I can pick them up before I leave. But I really like them. They're so cute. So like chic. Very simple, but it's so weird. Like if you're a glasses wearer, you know when you get a new pair of glasses, like your whole depth perception is off. I'm like walking around and I'm like, oh my god, things look so weird now. And it's probably because the lens is like not scratched up, not dirty. These are like in pristine condition. So I can't even remember what the second pair looked like. So I guess we're gonna see those together. It's gonna be a surprise for both of us because I can't even tell you what the style is, what the color is, nothing. So I just got off work. It is 6:30. I had a little bit of a late day and I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I just want to like eat and go to sleep. But what I'm gonna do is clean my bathroom, and I also need to clean up my makeup area. I don't know if I want to do that today or tomorrow, but I'm giving myself an hour to clean. I'm just gonna power through it. I know I can do it. I know it won't take that long, especially since I tidied everything up and put everything back in its place last night. So this should be a breeze. So I'm gonna put on my comfy clothes and get to work. Just coming on here to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing a couple of days in my life, and if you are not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time with another vlog, hopefully soon. So yeah, bye guys.